Welcome back to my final daily report market analysis video with me, Rich Perry, market analyst at Hantec, on Friday the 6th of September. On non-farm payrolls Friday, let's have a look at gold, which is starting to really fall away. It had a big turnaround in sentiment yesterday. Show you the hourly chart where we saw gold which really accelerated lower into the afternoon yesterday, where you saw the ISM data really hitting through. Initially we saw the move on the back of the announcement that US and China would be meeting in September, and then that accelerated lower through the ISM data, and that acceleration lower consolidated but then falling away a little bit more today, another $10 lower on the session, $11 lower. And that big bear candle really did break through that 15-17 figure support, and just has shifted this sentiment on the hour, on the momentum indicators. RSI back to 50, MACD lines falling away, stochastics falling away. Not yet, and I stress that word yet, not yet turning negative. This is certainly a big warning shot across the bows. This long squeeze that we're seeing here on gold, which has had such a good run higher, profit taking really coming through. The question is it a sustainable move? It certainly looks at the moment as though the strong bear candle followed by another negative candle today. If we get a strong payrolls report, we could really see gold falling away quite sharply. So that is the big risk that we see this afternoon into this payrolls report. Now, below $1,500, that is again a psychological level, but not really that massively key support. Key support comes in at 1492, 1481, that reaction low that we saw in August. If you see the market below 1481, certainly on a closing basis, that is a really strong signal that we are turning corrective on gold. But for now, this is a long squeeze which is playing out, but not decisively turning negative yet. RSI decisively below 50 would be a trigger signal. Stochastics and our MACD lines are negative near term with this run lower, but yeah, not necessarily decisively negative on a medium term basis quite yet. But this is certainly a warning that the bulls are having. Profit taking is coming through, but is this going to turn into a bearish market? Not at the moment, but certainly the signals are there that we need to be aware of and need to be careful out for. So with that in mind, I wish you good luck in your trading. Click here to subscribe to our daily analysis videos on YouTube, and also go to our website where you can sign up for our non-farm payrolls webinar that is today. So thank you very much, and I'll speak to you soon.